Hey, what's up, guys? I got this bookshelf to put in my daughter's room because she loves reading and wanted to keep all of her books in her room, but I didn't want to have like a big bookshelf that took up all of her wall space. So I was looking for something that was unique, that would hold all of her stuff but still look nice and not take up a bunch of space. So we came across this, and it's a piece of furniture that I think is like extremely good quality from Amazon. I love that this is actual wood, not like the fiber or particle board or anything. This is like real solid wood, and you don't get a lot of things, I don't think, on Amazon that has that type of quality, but this is it. So absolutely love that. The other thing is it has just a nice dark wood finish. It looks super nice. You can see it's super easy to turn. So I had a tote, a 116 quart tote full of books that we took and stacked up all on her shelf and organized them and made them look really neat. And I'd say we probably filled up about 2/3 or so of it. So there's still plenty of space. One thing I will say is that some of her taller books, I had to lay them down to slide them in. But as far as actual shelving height, it's plenty tall enough for any standard like chapter books, or even some of her taller like workbooks and coloring books fit in there. It's just these unusually tall books, which are actually pop-out dollhouse books, so they're not really even books. But anyways, I had to lay those down to fit them in there. Not a big deal, I don't think, for most people. And then the other thing that I really love about it, again, is that it turns, but it has these casters on the bottom. So if you want to roll it out of the way, you can unlock these casters, and it can just roll it and move it wherever she wants to in her room. So the other side of this desk that she's sitting at, or by her bed or whatever. And when you get it back in place, you easily just lock it back, and it's just like it belongs there. So that's just a really perfect design for it. As far as assembly, it did come with quite a few pieces, but it was really easy to get everything put together. So I mean, it was kind of just a little bit repetitive, which makes it an easy install. So basically it came with these casters at the bottom, and then this base plate, and then all of these tiered shelves here, and then just a bunch of these slats. They're all the same thing in a pack of hardware. So as you build it up, you just screw all the slats into each base plate, set the next base plate on top of it, and just continue on screwing the slats and building it up until you get all the way to the top. And then once you get there, you're pretty much done. It was really easy. A lot of the styrofoam stuck to it, so it took me a minute. I had to go and wipe it all down from the styrofoam static. I actually still have some pieces. But yeah, guys, this is just a really unique, nice, high quality piece of furniture. I'm so happy to have this thing in her room.